My name's Callum, and this is a review for treestuff.com on the Petzl Attache Carabiner. This is kind of a, for tree work and tree climbing. It's not your main carabiner because you tend to use tri-locks, but it's more a secondary tie-in, something that you might be setting for a while, like a basal anchor, something like that, where it's not going to be moving around much. Compared to the Black Diamond Rock Lock, it's a slightly smaller carabiner. It's shorter. It's also I-beam style, so you have cutouts, but round here for like rope bearing is quite smooth. I find the actual locking action twisted up once, and it's easier than the Black Diamond where it's quite a few screws. Haven't really had any problems with this yet, but looking at the spring mechanism in it, it actually does look plastic in there. You mightn't be able to see that. But yeah, it's a nice light springed carabiner, which I think all carabiners should be that way, but that's just personal opinion and preference. But yeah, good job, Petzl.